All right, here we go. Ready?
When the eggs arrive, they're in a nice chest box. Then we dump them in the tank and they fell in the rocks. They ate their yolk. We hope they don't choke. We can release the fry in the San Lorenzo River, where they can grow much, much bigger. A fingerling is small and is the size of your finger. It swims in cold chilling river. The small hang out in an estuary, hungrily chewing on bugs that are scary. The matures can grow big in the ocean by eating small fish, grilled shrimp in fast motion. When they are spawning, they are big and mighty, creating eggs that are teeny tiny. Good luck, salmon friends.
All right, well done. Give yourselves a hand. Yeah.